Good evening, my friends. How are you? So we've got these two Border Models aircraft here in 1/35th scale. We got the BF-109, and this is in the Hartmann's vein, and we've got the Focke-Wulf 190A. Wonder what his name is. Can't remember. Sorry, we'll look it up. It's not Joseph. Yeah, Joseph Priller. The French one. So, very good. I've just got the panel line, so the black panel lines done on this one. It's come up pretty good, but I've just sprayed it with some Mistacolor Satin Clear, which is really good. Really good stuff, this. Mistacolor Semi-Gloss Clear. Their Semi-Gloss Clear is really good, but I'm also trying the Tamiya one, the lacquer version, which is not too bad. I'm using this one on the BF-109, so they're not coming up that much different. This is a little bit shiny because it's fresh, but yeah, it is pretty satiny. So, but I'll show you how it's sort of coming out. Just really brings out a lot of the detail. You know, you can see all the little thingies, the little bays and all that kind of stuff, the lines better. Really good. So all I've done is I've spray painted with my lacquer paints on the colour that I want, and the next step that I've done is I've got some black oil paint. So I've just got that from a hardware store, and I've mixed it with mineral turpentine, make it really thin, and then you just sort of dab it into the lines and stuff. But I also add it onto the actual panel parts here, just a tiny bit, and then you can sort of, with your white spirit, so clean white spirit, you can just sort of, you know, get that in there and clean it out and sort of get a bit of pigment into the little grooves there, little holes. But this one I've still got a little bit to do, so doing up the top here, all around the canopy, and you can see I'm leaving on this mask here, this liquid mask. I might take it off at this stage just to clean up those lines there, and then I'll reapply it. So underneath, this is starting to look pretty cool, but you see that wing's just got to go, and I've got to do the middle bit there. But it sort of gives the yellow a bit more character, and yeah, I like it. So that's the next move. So once I've got these both to the same stage, then I'll go to the next stage. And it'll be more oil work, but I'll just use some different colours. Also start bringing in some pastels into the mix. But these instructions are odd. I didn't find too many problems with it, but there's just some odd stuff, like here. PE parts included, yes. Full interior of engine, yes. Transparent engine cover, there wasn't any of that in there. Transparent gun bay with full interior of gun. Well, you've got that, I suppose, but there was no clear cover for it. 2 schemes of camouflages. There's like heaps of schemes. Like, what, there's like 8 different planes you can choose from? Heaps of them. So that's odd. That's just straight up. And there's a few errors that I found in it and all that, but I brought those errors up in the earlier videos I did on this. But if we go to the painting page here, and I noticed this ages ago, but I was a bit tripped out on it. It's like, it's the Messerschmitt FW190A8. And it's like, isn't it a Focke-Wulf? I could be wrong, I don't know. But yeah, just these instructions are trip. They just can't seem to get their instructions right. I don't know why, but that's Border Models for you. But aren't they cool models? So I'll continue on with this, and when I decide what to do next, I'll show you what I do next. We'll make these planes look really cool. Alright, my friends, have a lovely Friday, It's Friday afternoon here, and this is the best time ever because you don't have to go to work tomorrow. And I'll see you again very soon. Bye.